This is my shit.
No, I usually put it over here, right?
You don't do Saturday service?
No.
You can have Saturdays first.
Really? Y'all have a midweek service? People like that? Are they coming? Is it the same service as Sunday?
Yeah, Tuesday, Sunday. It's just moved to Thursday.
I think I would like that.
I was like, where is he? Behind me?
Yeah, that was people would have Saturday.
That makes sense.
And then they come back Sunday.
They don't have to. It's the same service. Oh, wow. So now you do Thursdays. So Thursdays are long.
Okay, that's where you go today.
Why?
They were working.
Friday, Saturday.
Okay.
Your next tomorrow. I don't care. You said at first and I good there, BB. Let me get some. I said, let me get some, dude. Let me get some.
Come on. Let's go.
Where they at? Almost get like the only like realistic figure besides Raptor 2.
Yeah.
And so I remember hey, one time they did a couple months ago. They're like, hey, you want to shoot a video on a Navy boat?
Oh.
I said, cool. Where are we shooting this video? Well, it needs to play Saturday. Sherelle is Thursday. We're not getting on this. How are we going to shoot a video on a Navy boat?